In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minify JavaScript on a Wix website. This process can significantly improve your website's performance by reducing the load time, which is crucial for enhancing user experience and improving your search engine rankings. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to a trusted online tool called minify.org. This is a great resource for compressing your JavaScript files without losing any functionality. Just open up your web browser and type in minify.org, and you should be greeted with a neat and user-friendly interface. Once you've arrived at minify.org, you'll see an input field on the homepage. This is where you'll be pasting your JavaScript code. So, go to your Wix site or wherever you've written your JavaScript code, copy the entire script, and come back and paste it into the box provided on minify.org. Make sure you include everything as the minification process is done on the whole script. Now, with your code pasted into the input field, the next step is to click on the Minify button. This is usually located just below the input field. What happens here is the tool compresses your JavaScript file by removing unnecessary characters, spaces, and lines. The process usually takes a few seconds depending on the size of your script, and soon enough, you'll have a minified version of your code displayed in the output area. Once you have your minified JavaScript ready, click on the Copy Code button. This action will save your newly minified code to your clipboard, making it easier for you to paste it wherever needed on your Wix site. Now, let's hop over to the Wix website editor. Open your site in the Wix editor and navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Click on Add Elements. This will pop up another menu with various options. From this menu, find the option labeled Embed Code. When you click it, you'll see a variety of embedding options appear. What you're looking for is the Embed HTML option. Go ahead and click on it. Upon selecting Embed HTML, you'll be prompted with an input box where you can type in or paste your code. This is where you want to place your copied, minified JavaScript. Simply press Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac to paste it into this space. After you've pasted your code, the final step is to click on Apply. This will save your work and implement the changes on your site. And that's it. You've successfully minified and embedded your JavaScript on your Wix website. By following these steps, you'll give your visitors a faster and more responsive experience, while also helping boost your site's visibility online. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.